celebratory hugs and cheers Monday after NASA's InSight lander touched down safely on the surface of Mars, ready to explore the red planet's core for the first time.
20 meters.
It all came down to a hair-raising 6.5-minute descent, the 880-pound craft slowing from 12,000 miles per hour to zero, a giant parachute and retro rockets bringing the $800 million craft to a gentle landing.
Liftoff.
After a 6-month, 300 million-mile journey, the lander will now spend 2 Earth years on Mars, using a French-built seismometer to study Mars quakes. Instruments will burrow up to 16 feet underground to learn more about the planet's previously unseen interior. NASA scientists hope to discover clues to how Mars was formed and how it differs from our own planet.